One of the most exciting days of the entire braces process is the day your braces are removed. In this video, we'll discuss what you should know about getting your braces off, we'll let you know if it's going to hurt, and we'll talk about whether you should try taking your braces off at home. So let's get started. So first, let's talk about what is involved with the braces removal process. Overall, it's a pretty straightforward process. So first, the orthodontist will check out your teeth and bite to verify that everything looks good, that your braces are ready to be removed. Next, using a special bracket removal instrument, the orthodontist or orthodontic assistant will remove the brackets from the teeth, leaving the adhesive or braces glue on the teeth. The orthodontist will then use a specialized instrument to remove the bracket adhesive from your teeth. This may be a polishing instrument in a dental handpiece or a dental drill, or it could be a plier tool that scrapes the adhesive from the surface of the teeth. The orthodontist will usually then do a final polishing to make sure that all the adhesive is removed and that the enamel is clean, polished, and healthy. At this time, you may also receive a permanent retainer on your teeth, or your orthodontist may recommend that you receive a removable retainer instead. And that's about it. The braces removal process is fairly simple and one of the most common orthodontic treatments we perform every day. So you may be curious how long it will take to get your braces removed. It usually takes between 30 to 45 minutes. There are several steps in the process, and obviously it's best for the orthodontist to take enough time to do it right and not to rush. If you're going to be receiving a permanent retainer, this may take a bit of extra time as part of the appointment. Some people are afraid that getting their braces off will hurt, and generally speaking, getting your braces off shouldn't hurt at all. With the proper tools, which any orthodontist should have, it's usually a simple procedure to remove the brackets safely and comfortably from the teeth. Removing the dental adhesive or braces glue can be a bit uncomfortable for those with sensitive teeth. If your teeth hurt when you eat ice cream or drink cold water, this is about as much discomfort as you will feel when getting the glue removed. In order to remove the adhesive, the orthodontist has to use the dental handpiece and polish off the adhesive. The handpiece usually has a stream of cold air that can cause some discomfort for those with cold sensitivity. It's important to realize that many patients have their braces and glue removed with almost no discomfort at all, while others may have some discomfort during the adhesive removal process. The good news is that we only have to do this once, and the braces glue can usually be removed in about 5 minutes or less, and then it's over. So recently there have been videos popping up on YouTube demonstrating how to remove your braces at home, and in our professional opinion, this is not a good idea. So first of all, you won't have the proper instruments for bracket removal at home. And while it's possible to remove your braces using pliers that you might find in your garage, there's a really good chance that this will be really painful, and it could permanently damage your teeth. The bracket removal plier used at the orthodontist is designed to squeeze the bracket, causing it to pull away from the tooth. The pressure is applied to the bracket itself and not your tooth in an effort to make it more comfortable. If you're using pliers from the traditional tool store, there's a good chance that it'll be very painful to take off your own braces. There are times that this can even cause permanent damage to the teeth, like having large chunks of enamel breaking off the teeth. And even if you do manage to get the braces off your teeth at home, you're then left with the problem of having braces glue on all of your teeth. And there's honestly no good way to remove braces glue at home. It can't be dissolved, it can't be brushed off, and trying to scrape it off is dangerous or ineffective. So the bottom line, please do not try to remove your braces glue at home. So we understand that there are circumstances where individuals can no longer afford their orthodontic treatment, and in these situations, some may feel it's best just to stop their treatment and stop going to the orthodontist and to take their braces off at home. And this is never a good idea. If you can no longer afford your orthodontic treatment, we encourage you to reach out to your orthodontist and let them know your situation and discuss what can be done. Your orthodontist genuinely wants to help, and they will work with you to find a way to help you remove your braces safely so you won't cause your teeth permanent harm. So that's all the information we have today about removing braces. If you have any questions about getting braces removed, feel free to ask them in the comments section below. If you're thinking about getting started with braces for you or your child and you live in the Phoenix, Arizona area, we'd love to see you for a 100% free consultation. To learn more about a free consultation, check out the website, which I'll link in the description below. And if you found this information helpful, please give this video a like. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more braces related content, and make sure to tap that bell. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.